Hi, Nils here, brand ambassador for MaxPine, also biologist and nutritionist. Latest videos we've been talking about a series of products that is close to my heart. And why is that? Well, the reason is that they're all designed in this health champion set. We have the Moringa, we have the PMC 75, we have the RBC Plus, and we have the Fiber Flash in this product. This in combination will actually give you this what I call the foundation of your health. You need a good base to build your health. And with this product range, you will help your blood circulatory system, the endothelium of the blood cells. You will make sure that you have good amount of red blood cells, but also relaxed blood vessels, which will decrease your blood pressure. We have the Fiber Flash. Fiber Flash will help you with the gut health mainly. It will actually work miracles on your probiotic levels. We have the 10 trillion bacteria, and they all need good food nutrient intake, and this will be the product for that. The PMC 75, fantastic product that will modulate your immune system. It will modulate it in terms of up-regulating it if it's low and down-regulating it when it's high. The fantastic benefit with using mushrooms for this is that they actually know what's required. You don't need to take more if you're high or less when you're low or anything like that. You just make sure that you take it regularly. It could be an idea to take 2 sachets if you're running into a health issue, an inflammation, infection, or anything like that. And of course, the star product, the Moringa Elixir. The Moringa is a drinkable supplement containing of the Moringa Elixir, the sea buckthorn, and you have the acai berry in it. All these 3 will actually help with the immune system, lower the inflammation. It will improve your circulatory system. And we know that a good, healthy intake of Moringa over time will actually benefit your health overall. So that's why MaxPine has designed this champion set, which will give you a complete range. I highly encourage you to try it, but be patient. When it comes to changing your health and your quality of life with nutrition and supplements, the turning will be a bit slow. But it's well worth the waiting. You don't have any side effects, you don't have any withdrawals. It's not that expensive if you compare to taking pharmaceuticals for the rest of your life. I would highly encourage you to try the MaxPine Health Champion Set for at least 2 to 3 months and then see how it affects you and your health. Call back to us and let us know your experience. I wish you all the best.